0, this is 1 for a radio check.
Loud and clear.
Oh, that was a nice wee ice cream. And a piss for you.
Ice cream and the piss.
What more could you ask for?
Look to the right, that's where I've done the panels in the back garden.
Oh aye.
This is going to be a bit tricky. Okay. I nearly run into you.
Nearly.
Shit, come on. What are you doing? You go first.
Right, hold on. Are we turning right, aye?
Aye.
Right, we need to pull in at the next lay-by because my phone's in the back and it's not connecting to my... It's not connecting to my doo-doo. Pull in here actually. I don't know why it's not connecting.
Is it on?
Aye. I think it might be because it's in the metal box and it can't pick it up.
Could be.
I'll just put it in my pocket. That hill caught you out a wee bit there. Didn't help with the clowns at the front stopping.
No, didn't they? You don't realise how heavy this is till you're sitting on that hill.
Aye. Same with this. This is heavy as well.
It is.
It is for me, for a weird guy, yeah. But I've got big balls. Ah, that's a nice breeze.
That's lovely, eh?
Aye. I've got 116 miles to home.
That sounds about right, by the way. What's our ETA?
20 past...
8 o'clock?
No, 20 past 7.
That's right.
You're off quiet again.
I've got my...
Put your window open.
I think the whole fucking thing open.
Your hood up.
That better?
Aye.
That better now?
Aye.
I'll start to cool down the way back.
Yeah. My bike says 26 degrees. Cracking roads though, eh?
Now, just away from the traffic about it.
Yeah. I don't like traffic.
Well, that's another route we've taken ultimately.
Aye, absolutely, Tighnabruaich. Never been there before.
I've only been there selling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these single track roads, eh? Brilliant.
Bit quiet, eh?
Aye.
Do you know where I'd like to go next? Applecross.
Yes, definitely. That's an early in the morning job.
I would be. Come on, Matthew, get your finger out.
Let's see if Matthew's got the courtesy to pull in at the next pull-in point to let us by.
Maybe not.
You're taking a left anyway. You should go straight ahead, Matthew.
And we're not going right?
No, we're going left.
No, I think we're going right.
Well, my sat-nav says left.
Is it?
Huh? Aye, we couldn't have got a better day for it, Alec.
No.
We've actually been quite lucky this year, haven't we, though?
Apart from that one day.
Aye. We had more rainy days last year than we have this year.
Aye.
Remember when we were heading to, was it Oban we were going to? We got just past Calendar and we got soaked.
But then we turned back and we had a cracky day after that.
Aye, because we just followed where the blue sky was, eh?
Aye.
These are the roads that I enjoy when there's nobody else on them except us. I don't like sharing the road with anybody else.
I've noticed.
I don't mind sharing the road with you, John.
No, you mean that.
But I don't like sharing the road with cars and all that. Especially when they've got roof boxes and tents and all that on. Nice empty roads, Alex.
What do you say?
Aye. Is that the police?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Flashing lights. I can't see what colour. Oh no, it's a breakdown. It's
So, no, it's a wide load.
a wide load.
Aye.
Hello, wide load.
I wouldn't have said it was a wide load.
That was carrying a transformer, eh? Robots in disguise. What have we got going on here? The Tour de France.
Yeah, that's alright.
Look at the view, Alec.
I know.
It's always different on the way back, eh? Because you...
Aye. It's like two different routes, isn't it?
Aye.
Same at the time we went to like Congo Boat and come back, it looked totally different.
Did it?
Lock moment.
Aye. Well, you stop at the next lay-by and we'll have a stretch.
Aye, I wouldn't mind.
I want to clean my glasses because they're all smudged there. Look at that view. Bloody hell.
I know.
It's nice, eh? It's so picturesque.
Even in the winter it's nice.
Aye. And you're sitting driving through it in the car with the heaters on, full blast and the heated seats on.
Aye. Aye.
Excellente.
Should how solid that rock is, eh?
Oh aye.
That's taking years to get back to there.
My basalt that'll be. Volcanic. Or is it igneous rock? I don't know, I'm
Something else.
not too clued up on my geology. Oh hello.
24 degrees.
Mine says 22. So will we split the pubes and say 23?
23.
That scenery's cracking, eh?
Nice, eh?
That would take you hours and hours to walk up that hill.
Aye.
Days. I would just send the drone up, eh?
Aye, me too.
Save me walking, eh?
What's your stand up say? Must look fine. Aye.
I can't see it, doesn't say. Just says we're on the old military road, eh? Miles and miles of double yellow lines in the middle of nowhere.
No need for that.
Aye, I can really see the traffic warden walking up and doing this beat every day, eh?
No, fucking. Sure, and I've come up down this road for fucking 20 years. I've never fucking seen them
What, a traffic
till
warden?
today. No, I've never seen yellow lines until today.
No, it's because they've added them. I think they've been pissed when they've added them. Like, look at how wobbly wobbly they are.
Yeah, it was right, Annika.
Look,
We're still across to the chippy, eh?
the lines are all pissed. Aye.
Stopping this lay by the right.
Aye, aye.
I don't know if it is a fucking lay by, but
The village shop is shut.
the village shop. There's a chip shop there.
Aye, you just want to reverse it in behind that car. And I'll reverse it in behind the car as well.
Aye.
I'll just stop here like that.
It sounds.
Sound is a pound.
Sound is a fiver.
A fiver.
No, I just made that up. Not too steep.
No. Smell the chips.
Yeah.
I just got a can of juice, so